Climate zones countries in focus. The Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Democratic Republic of the Congo, previously known as Zaire, lies in the equatorial region. It is the second largest country in Africa. Its capital of Kinshasa. The Congo River, also known as the Highway of Central America, meanders through a thick rainforest. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a country in a hot desert region of the Arabian Peninsula. The country is a rocky plateau covered by desert. Riyadh is the capital city of Saudi Arabia. Jeddah, Mecca, and Medina are other important cities. The country experiences a very hot and dry climate with the little rainfall. The summer has extremely hot days and cool nights. Saudi Arabia has valleys known as wadis that have dry riverbeds or streams like oases. Wadis are fertile areas and hence human settlements are found here. Its thick evergreen rainforests are the home a rich wildlife with elephants, gorillas, bamboos, chimpanzees, antelopes, and other animals. The main source of livelihood of the people here is agriculture. The Pygmies are the original inhabitants of Congo rainforest. Most of the population is the DRC is made up of the Bantu people. Plant cover is sparse with different cacti and other desert plants. The camel is the most useful animal and is used for transportation. Saudi Arabia is rich in minerals resources such as petroleum, which is country's main source of income. Greenland. Greenland is the largest island country in the world. It is located completely within the freezing zone, and almost 80% of the island is covered with snow and ice. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. The climate of Greenland is cold throughout the year. Winters are characterized by the heavy snowfall, cold and chilly winds. A few plants like moss, lichen, grasses, and bushes here. Animals like reindeer, polar bear, Arctic fox, and huskies can be found. All animals have thick growth fur to protect them from the extreme cold. The Inuit were the original inhabitants of Greenland. They came to Greenland from North America almost 1,000 years ago. Since they are used to staying extreme climate conditions, some of them live in igloos